Hey everyone, my name is Katie Powers and I am your local realtor and credit repair specialist. And this week, I want to talk about what makes up your mortgage payment. This is so important when you're buying your first home because it's so different than rent. Rent consists of one thing, one payment every month. Your mortgage payment, while it is one payment every month, it consists of 4 separate items. So I want to cover that because there's a lot of misinformation out there, especially if you're actively looking on, for example, Zillow, and they give you an estimated payment under that home, or if you're on a builder's website. That one I hear a lot. If you're on D.R. Horton or Lennar website and you're looking at their estimated payment amount, it's not accurate. So I want to give you that information so while you're shopping for a home, you really know what to calculate. And first things first, get with a realtor because they can give you the real scoop on what your payment would be on a certain priced home. So the thing that you're going to hear the most, the verbiage or vocabulary of the day today, is P.I.T.I. You'll hear that a lot when you're talking to a lender and getting pre-approved for a home. And what that is, your P.I.T.I. is what your total mortgage, what your total makeup of your mortgage payment is. So the first item we're going to cover is the P, and that is your principal. Your principal is what you get the loan for, the amount of the loan that you're getting for the home. The next thing is your interest. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about this because this is really important. If you follow me on Facebook at all, you will see my constant posts about low interest rates. We are at an all-time low interest rate. And why that is such a big deal is because it lowers your monthly mortgage payment. If you get a loan with a lower interest rate, your payment is lower. And because it's part of your P.I.T.I. And the more you know, the better it is for you. So your lower interest rate, right now we're averaging right around 3.3% on your interest rate, which really makes your mortgage, compared to last year, $50 to $100 less per month. So it's a big deal. You get more bang for your buck. So if you're interested on that, let me know. But next topic is taxes. Taxes fluctuate depending on area, neighborhood, part of the city. Whether you're inside San Antonio city limits or outside San Antonio city limits, your taxes will fluctuate. So that's a big thing that Zillow and a lot of other mortgage calculators don't take into account. So especially builders, because when they're building on a lot, they're giving you the tax rate of an empty lot, not a lot with a home built on it. So that will change. So it's important to get with your realtor to understand what the taxes would be on the home that you're interested in. And the last thing on P.I.T.I. is your insurance. Your insurance is your homeowner's insurance, which is required when you purchase a home with a loan. Even if you bought a house cash, I would highly, highly recommend homeowner's insurance. It is one of the biggest assets you will own in your life, and you want to make sure that it's insured. So what I like to encourage my clients to do is to get quotes from your insurance company that you have with your car insurance. So like in my case, I use Liberty Mutual. I insure all my cars and my family and my homes. They give you a bundle discount. So you definitely want to get quotes when you find the home that you love, because it is a part of your mortgage. So you want to make sure that you're getting good coverage, because that's important. You don't want to discount insurance company on the biggest asset that you've ever bought. So you want good coverage, but you also want to get a fair price, because you do not have to pay your homeowner's insurance separate. It is wrapped into part of your monthly payment. So that's a big thing to keep in mind. It is different than when you're renting, because when you're renting, you pay a separate payment for renter's insurance. When you purchase a home, it's all wrapped up into your P.I.T.I., to your mortgage payment. So that is what your mortgage consists of. I hope you found this very informational. If you did, please go ahead and give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more information on the home buying process or credit repair. If you have any questions about what you heard today, or simply just want to know more about buying your first home, my phone number and email are listed right here. Please feel free to text me, call me, or email me. I would love to speak with you more and learn about your goals and your plans to purchase a home. So thank you so much for your time, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week.